In this video I'm gonna tell you how to make eye-catching thumbnail in mobile. 1. Vibrant colors. Use bold and vibrant colors to make your thumbnail stand out. PicsArt offers a variety of color adjustment tools, so experiment with saturation and contrast to make elements pop. 2. Clear and concise text. Add text that is easy to read on a small screen. Use bold fonts and contrasting colors to ensure legibility. Keep the text concise and directly related to the content of your video. 3. Creative overlays and effects. Apply creative overlays and effects to enhance the visual appeal of your thumbnail. PicsArt provides a range of filters, stickers, and overlays that can add a unique touch to your image and make it more eye-catching. 4. Focus on the main subject. Ensure that the main subject of your thumbnail is clear and prominent. Use cropping and framing tools to highlight the key elements of your image, making it instantly recognizable and engaging for viewers. 5. Consistent branding. Maintain a consistent visual style across your thumbnails to build brand recognition. Use similar color schemes, fonts, and design elements so that viewers can easily identify your content amidst a sea of thumbnails.